Are you checking in on the room, officer? For Judge Perkins?
Good morning.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
But if somebody else needs to, that would be. So.
Mr. Officer Wilson, let's go.
All right. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps or caps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. You may be seated. Good morning, Judge. Good morning.
All right.
We have a full report, Judge.
Yes, Mr. Burrell. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do as best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Please be properly attired. Please have something to write with so that you can take down any notes that you need to. And please mute your devices until your name is called.
How do you mute it?
I'll mute you. Let me find out who this iPhone is. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
My name is Stephen Lewis, or Stephen Jalon Lewis.
Oh, not you, sir. Good morning.
Mona Greer.
Say that again.
Mona Greer.
Mona Greer. Good morning to you, Miss Greer.
Good morning.
My name is Alante Lamb.
I got everybody else. Good morning to everybody. I just needed the Mona Greer. Matter doesn't start till 9 o'clock. Anybody that's set for trial, I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, all right? Let's call the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Burrow?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Richard Mitchell, case number SP 1820217, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Mitchell.
Richard Mitchell.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There's an off-docket matter, Mr. Berry, of expired plate. Get Mr. Mitchell an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Mitchell, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
I don't answer. I don't know. What happened?
You're on, sir. Just sit tight, please. On the Zoom user, you just checked in the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Oh, it's Mr. Lewis, Judge. I got disconnected somehow.
You answered the telephone.
Yes, sir.
You gotta not answer the telephone. If anybody answers the telephone, they're gonna disconnect. You're gonna lose your spot. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. What room are you in?
With Mr. Shit. C. His name started with a C.
I don't know. We'll get it. All right, let's go call the.
Your Honor, he was with Attorney Carpenter, Michael Lewis, Attorney Carpenter.
Yeah,
Very well.
Carpenter.
Very well. Where's John Green's file? Should be up here.
It should be in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get him out of here so he can go to Ypsilanti. Let me call the city of Detroit versus John Austin Green Jr. Case number SP 1822944, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182309001. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Rebecca Harris, P 72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Say your name.
John Austin Green Jr.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Green has gone to the Secretary of State. He has an issue in Ypsilanti. I'm going to try to give you as much time as I can to take care of that. But what I see is before you get a driver's license, you're going to have to take care of Ypsilanti. That's all it is to it.
Yes, sir.
Come back on February the 12th, 2026 for a trial date. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
This is my attorney calling me. Can I answer the phone?
No, just sit tight.
Okay.
Don't interrupt, Mr. Lewis.
I'm sorry, sir.
All right. Well, come back on December. Can you zoom in?
I'm hard of hearing.
I know. All right. I got to come back on the 12th.
I'll come back.
All right.
No problem.
All right. Come back on the 12th of February. Best of luck to you at 9 a.m. and have a very good rest of your day.
Y'all handle it.
All right.
Do I get the paper or?
You can, yeah. 12th of February. Yeah, she can give you paper.
I'll give him some paper.
Thank you.
Give me just a second.
All right, you welcome. All right, let's go. Hey, Lamb.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
The city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Alante Martise Lamb, case number SP 135-18512, SP 142-70021, SP 142-78771. State of Michigan versus Alante Lamb, case number SX345-12401, SX346-12842. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lamb, please state your name for the record.
Alante Lamb.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Lamb. He has he owes some civil infractions, but at the least two of them, no insurance proof 288, no insurance proof 336, are affecting Mr. Lamb's ability to get clearances down at 36 District Court. Mr. Lamb, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we seek dismissal.
All right. Mr. Mitchell, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Berry.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Mr. Green's matter is gonna be in person.
Yeah, he said he's gonna come in person.
Yes, okay. Should I request the officer in person too?
You can.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay.
Yes, because he needs to see and yeah. All right. All right, City of Detroit versus DeAndre Deshaun Gaines. Case number SP 181-57651. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaines.
DeAndre Deshaun Gaines.
For purposes of arraignment, my client, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gaines, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you let's pass the matter. All right. Mr. Vassal Johnson, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
You said your client was who?
Shane Gibson.
All right, City of Detroit versus Shane Zachary Gibson. Case numbers SP 182-789-6 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182-79521. SP 1844966 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record.
May I please court Vassal Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Next to waive his appearance for today.
All right, and you said he's incarcerated now, correct?
Correct, Your Honor. Macomb County.
All right. I'm going to give you another pretrial date to figure out how to secure Mr. Gibson. Come back on February the 12th, 2026, and you can give us an update and try to get him in here. All right.
Thank you. We'll do.
Best of luck to you and have a very good day, Mr. Vassal Johnson.
You as well, Judge. Thank you.
All right, let's go on to let's go back on the record with Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting permission to pay the reinstatement fees up front. He is just getting back to work after being out on medical, so he would need some time to pay the balance in full. So we're asking for an ability to pay the reinstatement fees up front so that he can come back potentially with a valid license for a pre-trial date.
All right, Mr. Lamb, you know this stuff is years and years old.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right?
I do. Mhm.
So what I'm gonna allow you to do is I'm gonna allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front with the understanding that you're gonna pay this whole thing off. We're not gonna discuss these tickets when you get the deal made for the other tickets. You understand that?
Okay.
This is just to see if you can get on the road legally.
Okay.
You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse to pay the reinstatement fee. There's no better way that I can let you do that. You're gonna have to bring $90 down to the cashier. If you have any issue, make sure you come upstairs before you turn back around. You shouldn't have any issue. I'm gonna set a pretrial date of February the 26th at 8:30, all right?
Okay.
Pay the reinstatement fee, go to the Secretary of State. After you pay the reinstatement fee, if they don't give you a valid license, then you can ask them for a printout they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Congratulations on getting back to work and have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Appreciate it.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Leo Gilbert, case number SP 504-858, counts 1 and counts 2, and 14-4315-701. Appearance for the record, please.
Leo Gilbert.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gilbert.
Are you Leo Gregory Gilbert?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time.
Good morning.
Set for a pre-trial, Ms. Harris. This stuff is way old, so see if the city has any
Actually, Your
objection.
Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation, if I'm reading this properly.
We'll adopt the recommendation to dismiss Mr. Gilbert. I'm waiving the warrant fee. You'll have to pay any reinstatement fee, which you have 3 of $45 a piece. And you also have this other allegation out here. I don't know if you're aware of it or not. Let's see. You have a final pretrial, so you're working on that. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, our cases are dismissed. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Thank you. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Devin Graves, case number SP 180-4371, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Graves. Please state your name for the record.
Devin Graves. Is he there? Is he muted, or was he there, or what?
I don't see that person.
All right, let's pass that matter. Ms. Lyles, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry. Good morning.
Good morning to you. You have to turn your camera on. Everybody must turn their camera on. There's no hiding behind the camera. The City of Detroit versus Jerika Lyles, case number SP 182-7194, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-7196, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lyles. Ms. Lyles, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jerika Lyles.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial, I believe. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You can run her license. Oh. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? All right. Good luck. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Is there a Taylor George Carew? Is there a Emmanuel Grayson? And is there an Abdel Omar?
Emmanuel Grayson?
Emmanuel Grayson. Is that Emmanuel Grayson?
No.
Yes, Emmanuel.
It's low.
All right, we're going to pass the matters. We're waiting on Carpenter. Are you ready, Attorney Carpenter?
Your Honor, I wanted to get an SOS check on Michael Lewis.
Michael Lewis, SOS check. Michael Kenneth Lewis, Miss Mathis.
Okay.
Fit it out for you.
That's okay. I can do what I'm about.
Michael Lewis is not valid.
Okay. Do you also know which room the prosecutor is in right now?
Well, she will be in 4 when she comes. So
Okay,
wait
thank you.
Did you order the court reporter? Mr. Boffman, are you ready?
Did I order the interpreter? Yes.
Yes. All right, we're gonna wait until we get an attorney.
Judge, officer Baxter called. He said the reason he was trying to find Attorney Horn is because for Mona Greer, who I just saw is logged on, he has no recollection.
Officer Baker?
Officer Baker, yes. Baxter, I'm sorry, Baxter, B-A-X-T-E-R.
Baxter.
Officer Baxter.
All right, Officer Baxter, no recollection. I'll write that down.
No recollection for Mona Greer, and I just saw she signed in.
Yes.
He's trying to reach her, Ms. Horn, so I text her his number as well.
That's fine. I got it written down. He appeared, he has no recollection. Mr. Boffman, are you ready?
Not quite, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I was just joining the breakout room. I'll speak to my client. I believe there's no officer on this case. Officer Lamont Gibson.
We'll have a few more minutes.
Yeah, I know. So we'll wait for that time and I'll be back. Thank you. Good morning.
Very well. Can we call Ms. Horn, please?
She said she.
Officer Hayes, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Greeley. I believe I spelled it wrong. I said Greenland, but last name is Greeley.
Greeley, Andrew Greeley?
Yes.
And you, if you want to speak to the city about it, then you have to wait until they come in. But would you want to tell me? You want to? What's going on?
No recollection.
Oh, no recollection. All right. So, all right. I'll let Miss no recollection. I'll let Miss Harris know, Miss Horn know, and I got you checked in. I'll mark you down, no recollection.
Okay, thank you.
Be safe and have a great day. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Sergeant Matthews, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. P.O. Hayes, that was my partner that day for Greenlee. I don't have any recollection as well.
Okay. No recollection, Sergeant Matthews. I have you down. I'll mark you as a peer. You be safe out there. I'll let Ms. Horn know.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyles. Ms. Lyles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date. Wait a minute. What happened to Ms. Lyles? What happened to Ms. Harris?
Judge, here's the file for Gaines, DeAndre Gaines.
Ms. Lyles, are you there? Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
You have a few officers that checked in and had no recollection. I marked them down if you need to know.
If you don't mind, Your Honor, I'll check those off too.
Sergeant Matthews, no recollection for Greenlee. Also, Officer Hayes, no recollection for Greenlee. And then we have I think it was Officer Baxter, right?
Right.
Baxter, no recollection for Mona Greer.
Okay.
So far.
Okay, no wreck. Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. I'll go in.
You're welcome. All right, let's go, Pat. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed.
Okay, Mr. Gaines, your matter is dismissed. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit. Johnny Oram, good morning. Did you hear from an attorney? Johnny Oram? Where's Johnny Oram?
Right here.
He has to unmute himself.
Mr. Oram, unmute your phone, please.
Can we find out who Johnny Oram's attorney is?
Hey, Judge, this is Jerika. I just got canceled
Yeah,
out.
I'm waiting on Miss Harris to come out. Were you speaking with her?
Yes, but my phone it just logged me out. So I want to go back over there with her, please. Thank you.
Mr. Oram, are you there? All right, Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Diamond Lemons. Case number SP 127-35431, SP 128-12771, SP 136-2273, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Hold on, Mr. Oram. Mute your phone, please.
Just call me.
Mute your phone, Mr. Oram, please.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry. On behalf of the Diamond Lemons, Ms. Lemons, can you state your name for the record, please?
Diamond Lemons.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for, this might be set for. Yeah, we have the file here. Let's see, on the
I
computer.
don't see her on the docket.
Raymond on the bench warrant, she missed her court date 2 days ago.
No, I was here.
You were, I thought I saw you.
Yeah, you told me to pay.
Go ahead.
You told me to pay $240 and then to appear back. So I was trying to pay it today. Like I called and I tried to pay, but they said they couldn't find it.
Are you Diamond Linda Lemons?
Yes.
You have to find out this file. You have to find out what's going on with it. She didn't, somebody didn't, I remember her being here. I don't think somebody entered the system. Let's pass the matter, Ms. Lemons. What about Orem? Did we know?
He was having some trouble with the mute button.
I understand, but I wanted to know if Orem, did you get an attorney yet? Did attorney call you?
Mr. Orem, please respond. Unmute your phone.
His file is right there.
Okay.
Did you get an attorney call you yet, Mr. Orem? I didn't hear him.
Should be Frank Massaria.
All right, I'm gonna wait. I got the attorney for you. You're gonna have to wait till your attorney comes in, all right?
Who is the attorney? I ain't heard from nobody.
I know that's what we're gonna bring him in. You're gonna hear from him today, all right? Frank Massaria is gonna be your attorney. Give me a few minutes, all right?
Please mute your phone, Mr. Orem.
Detroit, can you run this license for me, please? City of Detroit versus Nakia Owens, case number SP 181-95991. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, man.
Nakia Owens.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I don't know if your client unwittingly paid this no failure to stop that went along with this ticket. But I don't know if she knows that by paying that failure to stop, you signed yourself up for 3 points on your driver's license. Mr. Berry, she does have a valid license. If you want to see if you can help Ms. Owens out, if the city will set it aside, I'll give you opportunity to approach the city and see if she can do better on the 3-point ticket. All right. So Owens, I'm going to put
Could you tell me where she appears on the docket? I can't find her.
Last name on the
there it is.
Raymond on the bench warrant. All right,
Yes,
Ms.
sir.
Owens, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to check on that other ticket for you. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Okay.
Mr. Lumpkin and Mr. Orem are both not muted. I think they're but go ahead and see Ms. Lumpkin.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyles. Ms. Lyles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, was this a bench trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lyles, I'm going to give you a bench trial date for February 12, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Ms. Lyles, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, thank you.
Michael Griffin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Michael Griffin, case number SP 183-09701. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Michael Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Griffin, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Oh, he has an appointed attorney as well. Did you hear from an attorney yet, Mr. Griffin?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna get that attorney. We're gonna find out who that is and get that attorney in here. So you're gonna sit tight with Mr. Orm. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Frank Lopez. Franklin Lopez.
Hi, good morning. Sorry about that.
That's all right. Franklin Lopez, I don't see him on the docket.
Does it mean I get to go?
That's your full name, sir?
Franklin
I
Garcia
don't see him
Lopez.
either.
Franklin Isaac.
Say that again?
Franklin Isaac Garcia Lopez. Do you need the SP number?
I see Franklin Garcia Lopez, I see.
Frank, sorry, as a judge.
Frank Massaria has Mr. Orm, and City of Detroit versus Franklin Garcia Lopez, case number SP 182-50191, SP 183-28881. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Lopez, please state your name for the record.
Franklin Isaac Garcia Lopez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. There is a failure to stop ticket, I believe, that came after this. I wouldn't, Mr. Garcia Lopez can either have that matter heard here or he missed the hearing date, so it's in default. I don't have any issue with setting that default aside so Mr. Orange can be heard on it. Mr. Garcia Lopez can be heard on it. Mr. Lopez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Your Honor, could we check the status of his license also?
Can you run Frank Garcia Lopez's license, please? His license is valid.
Thank you.
Michael Deontay Green, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Good morning. What is your date of birth?
1/18/95.
Morning, Your Honor.
She can make a payment.
Who?
Diamond Lemon.
Lemons? Lemons, good morning. Lemons, are you there?
Yes.
Your stuff is up now. You can make the payment. Can you make it now?
Yeah, I can make it right now.
All right, make the payment and then raise your hand in the chat when you're done.
Okay.
So what was supposed to be done?
Commissioner? I'm a little behind because I took off, but yeah.
Oh, it's you.
Huh?
That's verbal. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the prosecutor has agrees to set aside the civil matter and dismiss the matter, to set aside the default and dismiss the matter.
She's willing to dismiss it as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
You got an early Christmas gift there, Ms. Owens.
They were. Weren't they hired?
Now, there's not going to be any money returned, all right, ma'am? Just won't have any points on your license anymore.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Are you still at the Southfield address?
Yes.
All right. I can't, I wouldn't expect any money to be returned, but I can't say whether or not. So if you're at the Southfield address and you get a check in about a couple of months, then you've won again, all right? Best of luck to you. Very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Welcome. City of Detroit. What about Michael Green's? City of Detroit versus Michael Deontay Green, Mr. Barry. This is a long one. Case number SP 114322121. SP 1161151, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1270631. SP 1419515, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1430944, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 147431102. SP 1509613. SP 1543962, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1631971. SP 1760605, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1763107, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1763115, counts 1 and 2. SP 1834979, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1863343, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19708167, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Michael Deontay Green, case number SX4645781. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Michael Deontay Green.
The state tickets don't appear to be on the docket.
All right, I know what's going on. Go ahead for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And I'm gonna warn you, Mr. Green, it appears that as the allegation suggests that you've gone a long time without getting a valid license, you are my daughter's age. I don't know if you've ever had a license before, but if you continue to come in here with tickets, then I'm gonna send you to jail, all right?
Okay.
So you're gonna have to start, if the allegations are true, you're innocent until proven guilty. The allegations are true, you're gonna have to start correcting your behavior. No proof of insurance, Mr. Berry, is, I'm just talking about the civil infractions that's affecting Mr. Green's ability to get a valid driver's license with 36th District Court. No proof of insurance twice, 3 times, 4 times. No proof of insurance 4 times. All of them $288. I'll go to take the extreme measure of allowing Mr. Green to pay reinstatement fees on all of them, but only one of them will I set aside. And the other issue with Mr. Green is he has the name. How do you spell your name, Mr. Green? Your first name, Mr. Green?
Micheal.
So it's some of the cases, Mr. Berry, are AEL, and we'll see if Ms. Mathis can correct those. That would account for unregistered, untitled, Mr. Berry, no insurance misdemeanor. Well, those are on the docket as well.
Yes.
So you're only looking for one case, the state case.
Yes.
That state case is a unregistered, no, strike that, a driving while license suspended. Now, maybe some civil infractions as well. Improper what is that? Something on the license, improper additional license or something? Is that on the docket? Let's see. Oh, improper address on license. Then we're looking at a no plates, civil infraction. All of these are civil infractions. A driving while license, strike that. A seatbelt ticket, no valid registration, and a no insurance proof. So give Mr. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Green, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I will work with you as best I can to make sure you get a valid driver's license if you're willing to work and get one. If not, then we're gonna move on and try to help the other people that we can, all right?
I'm willing to work.
All right, get Mr. Green an updated offer, speak to Mr. Berry, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
Those other matters, Ms. Mathis, they need to change his name.
Okay.
That I just printed out.
Yes.
It's past the matter.
Do you want an SOS for him?
No, we don't need to run an SOS for him.
Okay.
Oh, he already told us how to spell his name.
Oh, yeah.
The EA instead of AE.
You said EA instead of AE.
All right. We're going back on the record with Miss Diamond Lemons. Miss Lemons, I'm going to dismiss the SP 136222733 for paying. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Investigator Charleston.
Yes, my phone started buffering and kicked me out of the breakout room. Can you send me back to the breakout room?
Yes.
Thank you.
Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. Hey, Ms. Philarue, good morning to you.
Hi, Judge. How are you today?
We'll get you going.
Okay.
Ms. Barrett, are you ready on anyone?
Judge, I just wonder, no, I'm working on it right now. Did Darnell Green check in? That was one that I can.
I don't see him here.
Okay, well. All right, let me check on these other people.
Can we get Frank Massaria in here, please?
Yes.
Get up, Mr. Greenlee. I told you that last time. Next time you come in my court and you're not presentable, I'm gonna hold you in contempt. You won't have to get up. You'll be in front of a camera in the Wayne County Jail.
So we need 535, we need someone.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. Garcia Lopez. Mr. Garcia Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is willing to admit responsibility to the amended charge of blocking traffic with the misdemeanor matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm finding your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Garcia Lopez?
Gonna get a couple weeks by next week, Friday. So
You said next week, Friday, February
Yeah.
the 6th?
yes.
I pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Hey, you as well. Thank you. I just wanted to say I love the work you're doing and just have a blessed day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, Mr. Lopez.
Bye.
All right, Miss Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I'm Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Batista, case number SP1-831-7701, SP1-831-775, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Bautista. Números de caso SP1831775, cargos 1 y 2, y SP1831701. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Soy Cherica Harris, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Ramón Mejía Bautista.
Ramón Mejía Bautista.
José Ramón.
José Ramón Mejía
Correcto.
Bautista.
Sí.
That is correct. Yes.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio y respetuosamente pide que la orden de arresto sea anulada.
What is your date of birth? Good morning to you, Mr. Batista. What is your date of birth?
Buenos días usted, señor Bautista. ¿Y cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
El 24 del mes 7, 1989.
July 24th, 79 o 89?
89.
July 24th, 1989, Your Honor.
All right. And how do you spell your name? Is it spelled correctly on the Zoom there? Jose Ramon Mija Batista?
Y díganos, ¿cómo usted deletrea su nombre? Mire cómo lo tenemos aquí en la pantalla. ¿Eso es correcto como lo tenemos, que tenemos José Ramón Mejía Bautista?
Sí, está correcto.
Y José
La pantalla.
Ramón. Yes, it is correct.
I'm gonna get Miss Mathis to change that in the system. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. He has also a defective equipment ticket, Ms. Harris, that I wouldn't have any issue setting aside if the city has no objection.
Bueno, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, darle una fianza de $0. Le voy a dejar a la señora Matis que corrija su nombre en el expediente. Y también, señora Harris, sépase que él tiene un cargo por equipo defectuoso. Ese yo puedo anular si la fiscalía no se opone.
Mr. Batista, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
El Bautista lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta. La señora Harris le va a conseguir usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted siempre todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala, por favor. Dice join o unirse.
Pass the matter. Did he join? Did he join? He's in there. Yeah, I did. Michael Green. Huh? Yeah, I told him.
Okay.
That Michael Green, I thought I sent it to you.
Okay.
It was only about 4 or 5 cases on that one list. It's supposed to be EA instead of AE.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's,
so
I think it's spelled right there.
so it shouldn't be, Michael should be EA, not A.
Yeah, how is it spelled there?
It's AE on here.
Let me see. Let me make sure.
You want me to run his driver's license?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Morning, NPO Shabazz. All right, let's, Mr. Baughman, are you ready? Anybody ready? Besides, I know every defendant is ready.
EA.
Ms. Hickman, are you ready on Godbold? Maybe not. Mr. Boffman, you ready?
You gotta have a judge. You gotta have a. Can you hear me?
Yes.
You gotta. Oh no.
Who was on iPhone 86? That fell off. iPhone 86. Unmute yourself, please.
Michael Griffin.
Michael Griffin.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. You have to wait.
Oh, I thought you said unmute myself.
No, Michael Griffin. All right.
Oh.
Michael Griffin, did you speak to the spoke to the now? Are you Micheal?
No, I'm AEL.
AEL. And you spoke with an attorney yet?
No, sir.
You see the EL on Michael Griffin?
It's EA.
It is. Yeah. Are you ready, Mr. Carter? Oh, no, not yet. All right. Michael Griffin did not speak. Did you? Did I call his case, Michael Griffin?
I still have this.
You do?
Yeah, I'm going to the correction so we can get.
No, Michael Griffin.
Oh, Michael Griffin.
Let's see. Oh, we're waiting on him we're waiting on Rosario for Griffin. We're waiting on Rosario for Oral.
I did send him a text.
All right.
was doing work yesterday.
What you say? No, I wasn't here.
I think she was guessing. I think she was short.
Yeah, I was. You needed me for something?
No, I'm trying to make sure it was okay, that's all.
So I had some personal to take care of.
Okay.
Pardon me, Your Honor. How do we know if we're checked in?
You are checked in. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
Everyone's checked in. Everyone's checked in. I didn't tell you. All right. Are we ready on Godbold?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
It's the city of Detroit versus Charity Monet Godbold, case number SP 1847385, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of Sheriff OPA 6783, Ms. Godbold, please state your name for the record.
Charity Godbold.
All right, is Officer Zeringer here? Yes, he was. He worked it out with the city.
No, Your Honor, we are requesting a 30-day adjournment. There is a possible OWI coming down. We're waiting for results from MSP. And at that point in time, we'd be looking to globally resolve the matters.
I'm gonna reset this for you. You spoke to Ms. Horn about it?
Yes. This was her recommendation, Your Honor.
I'll reset it for formal hearing for February, strike that, for March the 6th at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Ms. Godbold, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Well,
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
you as well, Ms. Hickey. Mr. Carpenter, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. We can start with Tyler Lawrence.
Television, is that turn the television off or mute it, please. City of Detroit versus Tyler Daniel Lawrence, case number U721967725. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895, on behalf of Tyler Lawrence. Tyler Lawrence, can you please state your full name for the record?
Tyler Daniel Lawrence.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Lawrence want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, both the prosecutor and I want a 3-week adjournment on this.
And what is the purpose of the adjournment?
To get more discovery on the matter.
All right, this is February 19th. It's going to be your next court date, Mr. Lawrence. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Well,
sorry, what time did you say in the morning?
8:30.
8:30. Sorry about that.
So best of luck to you.
Thank you,
Who
sir.
else,
Have a good day.
You're welcome. Who else, Mr.
Michael Lewis.
City of Detroit versus Michael Kenneth Lewis, case number SP 1831095, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U722561225. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Michael Lewis. Michael Lewis, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, Michael Kenneth Lewis.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. It's only 3 matters on the docket. I have 4 matters that are in here.
That's what
One
I
of the
have as
mat-
well.
Yep, so he has, one of the matters, the open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver does not appear to be on here for some reason.
Okay.
So that's open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. What does Mr. Lewis want to do?
So the prosecutor is willing to dismiss the no valid ID and the no valid insurance for compliance.
No.
Okay, that's what the prosecutor said. That's not what I said.
Let me say this. I don't know about the insurance, but I know that he doesn't have a valid driver's license.
Okay. So can I go ahead and talk to the prosecutor about the insurance then?
Talk to her about the insurance, then you have the narcotic violation, open alcohol a driver, and a driver's license never acquired.
Okay.
All
That
right?
we're gonna set for bench trial.
So we'll set it off for trial then.
Okay.
Why not? You know, if he has insurance, then he's got it. If now you can bring it then. And trial date, February 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
9 a.m. February 12th?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. All right, anything else, Mr. Carpenter?
No, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
At the Criminal Justice Center. Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your video, and state your name, please?
My name is Tracy Oley.
Oli, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Pre-trial date is. Yes.
February 12th.
Mhm.
133.
Did Mr. Masaria respond? Yeah, has he responded yet?
No, he didn't.
Can you call it? What's his number?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach at the tone, please record your message. When you have
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Batista. Mr. Batista, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Bautista. Señor Bautista, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué van a hacer?
My client will admit responsibility to defective equipment.
Mi cliente va a admitir ser responsable a tener equipo defectuoso,
The remaining matters would be dismissed.
reconociendo que los otros cargos quedan desestimados.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Batista?
¿Y esa es la oferta de resolución que usted quiere aceptar, señor Bautista?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo ver lo que dice la boleta de infracción para tener una base para esta declaración?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y abogada, ¿puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros asuntos?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo, su señoría.
Find your client guilty as to the, strike that, find your client responsible as to the amended count, as charged, strike that, as charged to the defective equipment, $120. When can you pay it, Mr. Batista?
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable, no tachar eso. Encuentro que es responsable al cargo reducido, no. Es responsable al cargo tal como fue acusado de tener equipo defectuoso y la multa es $120. ¿Para cuándo pudiera pagar usted eso, señor Bautista?
¿En qué tiempo? Estamos a 29 para el 20 por ahí. De aquel día.
¿Para qué día? What day?
Al 20 del próximo mes.
Well, this is the 29th, so the 20th
Of February?
de febrero?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Batista. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Bueno, señor, entonces le doy hasta el 20 de febrero. Lo puede pagar en persona aquí en la corte o puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat y pagarlo ahí, o usted puede pagarlo por teléfono si usa el app de DivDat. Esas son las mejores dos maneras para uno pagar lo que le debe a la corte. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseo a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, gracias igual.
Okay, thank you. I wish you the same.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
We'll take care of your other one, Miss Villarreal. This is the city of Detroit. You can log off now, Mr. Batista.
Señor Bautista, ya usted se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Estoy buscando dónde son.
Our city of Detroit versus Lepercio Gonzalez, case number SP 1805742, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1806681. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llamará el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Lupercio González, números de caso SP 180668831 y SP 1805742, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, please state your name for the record.
Cherica Harris, representando al señor González. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Ángel de Jesús González Lupercio.
Ángel de Jesús González Lupercio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos debido a que usted tiene una orden de arresto pendiente.
Buenos días.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Buenos días. Good morning. Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, el cliente va a guardar silencio y le pide respetuosamente a la corte que cancelen la orden de arresto.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. LaPercy, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0. Señor, lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada para que pueda hablar usted con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora cuando vea la indicación donde dice join o unirse.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Barrett, are you ready on Grays, Devin Grays?
Yes.
We're recalling the case of City of Detroit versus Devin Grays, case number SP 1804371, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Devin Grays, P43238 judge. He's requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, Mr. Grays, state your name for the record, please.
Hello, it's Devin Grace.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You want a trial date?
Yes.
That would be February the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grays, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Judge, I have a trial that day.
You too.
I'm sorry.
Ms. Mathis, another trial date for Grays. What about the February the 13th?
That should be fine.
February the 13th, Mr. Grays. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
What time is it that day?
9 a.m.
Okay, I'm ready on the other ones too.
Who you have next?
I also have Cassandra Long. She needs a bench trial date.
All right. Ms. Long, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit. Hold on one second. I'm sorry, Orem was here first if you try. I'll put Orem in breakout room 8 and Griffin in breakout room 9.
Thank you, Judge.
The attorney's here, join the rooms, and he'll come see you when he has things situated. All right, City of Detroit versus Cassandra Long, case number SP 181-33511. Record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Cassandra Long. Judge, she's requesting a bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want to say your name for the record, Miss Long.
Cassandra Long.
All right, is that what you want trial date now?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be February the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Miss Long, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
All right.
February 13th.
Pardon me?
You said February 13th.
February 13th, 9 a.m.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are we doing Martina Latrell Owens?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Martina Latrell Owens, case number V14025-125, V14025-225. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Martina.
All right.
Melita Baird on behalf of Martina Owens. Judge, here's the story with Mr. Owens. He has a co-defendant, and that case is before Judge King, and I spoke to the co-counsel as well as the city attorney, and we need to get this over to King so we can get everything worked out. So I have to have a conversation with the city attorney, I guess, and Judge King's court so we can get it over there. The next court date with Judge King is February 24th, and that's the final pretrial. In this particular case, Judge King there have been a number of things done over there. Unfortunately, since they don't have the same last name, they didn't end up at the same place. So I don't know how you want to do that. Do you want to set a date so we can get it switched, or I don't know if you can call and get it switched?
All right, let's pass it. We'll call Judge King. Call Judge King and see if he can join as co-defendant on that case, please. What's the co-defendant's name?
What's your wife's name, sir? Is it Shannon Webster?
Shannon Webster, and her trial date is the 29th.
It's the 24th, you told me.
No, it's the 29th.
Okay, well, I had 24th written down.
You had Shannon Webster?
Yes.
Her 24th is the next pretrial date. Shannon Webster. Shannon Maria Webster?
Yes.
So make sure I'm following everybody correctly.
Yeah.
You want Judge King to be the judge of record.
I'm asking why that needs to be done. Shannon Webster has a dog license, failure to vaccinate, nuisance tickets. These, let me see, these matters are, oh, I guess there's interference. So I guess they're alleging that when they issued the nuisance ticket, then Mr. Owens interfered or did something, and he got a nuisance ticket as well. All right, we'll find out if the King Shannon Webster is, and there's on the 24th, they're asking would Judge
Be the judge of record.
would Judge King be the judge of record? We'll pass the matter. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos ahora a volver en el acta con el caso del señor González. Señor González, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid documentation.
Su señoría, él pudo mostrarme a mí documentación vigente.
His license is from Mexico, Your Honor.
La licencia de él es del país de México. Su señoría.
Did Ms. Horn accept that as valid documentation?
¿Y la señora Horn aceptó eso como una documentación válida?
I can confer with her in just 2 minutes, please.
Yo puedo ir y hablar con ella y regresar en 2 minutos, por favor.
Please do, because I think the license from Texas is different than an international, a Mexico is different from a license. What did you say, Texas or Mexico?
Mexico, Your Honor.
Sí, por favor, vaya y hable con la fiscal, porque creo que una licencia internacional es diferente de una licencia de Texas. ¿Usted dijo Texas o México? México, su señoría. Ah, pues una licencia de México es diferente a una licencia internacional. Vaya y hable con ella.
All right, license from Mexico is different than the international license, so check and see if she's willing to what she wants to do.
Porque una licencia de México es diferente de una licencia internacional. Así que usted vaya y revise con ella a ver.
Pass the matter.
Pasamos al caso por ahora.
Michael Green's file, Ms. Smith. Did you correct the name?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Deontay Green. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to 12 of the matters before the court, and they are as follows.
Why don't we do this? He doesn't have money to pay for 12 of these tickets, do you?
No, sir.
I'm giving him an opportunity. I'm going to give him an opportunity to pay these reinstatement fees up front, because it's almost like setting them up for failure to plead to 12. Not that you're setting them up for failure, Mr. Berry. You're working out and trying to get him nil, but we said already we will allow him to pay these reinstatement fees. Now, You better have $180.
I got that right now, Judge.
All right, you need to come down to the courthouse right now. And do you have tickets in other jurisdictions, sir?
No, sir.
All he does in Detroit, he stays in the city limits. He doesn't go out. He doesn't go past 8 Mile. All right. He knows they lock him up out there.
For real, Your Honor, I was just trying to get my life together.
That's good. That's what everybody needs to try to do. I'm trying to get mine together too. Should always be working on yourself every day.
Yes, sir.
Somebody tells you they have turn your background off. If somebody tells you that they have everything together, then they're lying. All right. I'm gonna allow you to pay reinstatement fee up front for those 4 matters. Let me make sure. If you have an issue, come see Miss Mathis upstairs in 535. When are you coming down to do that?
Right now, I'm about to get dressed and come on down.
All right, well, we should have it in the computer. I'm gonna set a pre-trial date. Mr. Berry will keep those offers open for February the 12th. Once you come down here, you make an appointment to the Secretary of State and you try to get your license. If they don't give you a license, then if they don't give you a license, then you ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay.
And come back February 12th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, sir.
All right, and Mr. Green, we'll see if, you know, what it is the actions speak louder than words, right? So you say you want to get it together, and you say you're trying to get your license together, and you say you're trying to get your life together. We'll see it in your actions.
Yes, sir. I got you. I ain't gonna let you down.
Are you working?
Yes, sir. I got a good job.
All right then. I might need to holler at him then. All right.
All right, thank you.
All right.
He might be a poor Judge.
I don't know. He said, I like the way you sound like it. All right, Mr. Green, if there's nothing further, come back February 12th. Don't get caught driving again.
Right.
All right. Let's go call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus Lamontez O'Rear. Case number SP 181-71681, SP 184-6696, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Rear. O'Rourke.
State your name. He likes coming back too, Mr. Berry. State your name, Mr. O'Rear. I didn't hear him. Come in the camera.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. State your name for the record, sir.
Lamontez O'Rear.
All right. He likes it in here too. Don't you, Mr. O'Rear?
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He also has some other matters, a no-ops ticket, no insurance misdemeanor, and an expired plate. We'll consolidate those and so he can get a one-stop shop. All right, Mr. O'Rear, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, let's pass the matter let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, Judge King doesn't have any objection to consolidating the case or allowing you to go along with your co-defendant or your wife / co-defendant. Judge King will be February 24th, 2026 at 8:30. Judge King, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lupercio Gonzalez. Mrs. Harris, what does Mrs. Horn want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Lupercio González. Señora Harris, ¿qué quiere hacer la señora Horn?
Dismissal, Your Honor. There's a recommendation to dismiss all of the matters.
Que desestimen los cargos, su señoría. Hay una recomendación para una desestimación.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Gonzalez. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Muy bien, entonces su caso queda desestimado, señor González. Si no tiene algo que agregar, que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Buen día. Entonces, ¿es todo?
Have a good day. And so, that's all?
That's it.
Es todo.
Muchas gracias. Que tengan buen día.
Thank you very much. I wish everyone there a good day.
All right. Miss Villarreal, you can ask anybody else, do they need an interpreter?
Very well, Your Honor. ¿Hay alguien más presente hoy que necesite un intérprete de español?
Sorry, ¿ya me puedo desconectar?
Can I disconnect now?
Hey.
Sí.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye. ¿Alguien más?
Somebody said that they needed a license, an interpreter.
I thought I heard something, but it might have been Mr. Gonzalez. ¿Alguien más que necesite un intérprete de español? Por favor, diga.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, if it's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day. And if we need you, we know how to get in touch with you.
Absolutely, Your Honor. It would be my pleasure.
And have a good week if I don't see you.
Yes, you too, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
This is the City of Detroit versus Latoya Lumpkin, case number SP 169-78481. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lumpkin, please state your name for the record.
Nicole Lumpkin.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lumpkin, you were supposed to do some community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Did you do it?
I have 6 more hours to finish.
When are you supposed to finish those?
I have surgery on the 22nd and I'm still on leave from my doctor. And my appointment to go back will be Monday.
That wasn't my question.
As soon after this Monday, I can go.
After this Monday, you can go?
Yes.
And how long do you believe it'll take you to finish it?
I have 6 more hours.
How long do you think it'll take you to finish the 6 hours, Ms. Lumpkin?
One day.
And when do you think you'll be able to do that? When you factoring in your doctor's appointment and your health, factor all that in.
I'm looking at the calendar. That is on February 2nd.
Ms. Lumpkin, if the court gave you 30 days to come back with the 6 hours completed, would that help you?
Yes.
Your Honor, could we have a 30-day return date?
All right, Lumpkin, you see Lumpkin? Okay. Let's see. So the 29th, Can you tear that off, please, Mr. Officer Wilson?
Yes, sir.
Can you tear that off, please?
Absolutely.
You spoke to O'Rear and you spoke to Griffin? Let's see, March the 4th. Review, March the 4th. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck on your appointments and your health. Come back March the 4th and we'll be able to close this matter out, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Michael Lanzalati. Did I get the correct pronunciation of your last name, sir? Lanzalati. Case number SB 128-40311, SB 128-40313, SB 176-7132, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 179-9863, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Joseph Michael Lancelotti Jr.
Junior, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a pretrial. I do have Miss Harris, a no-ops that's sitting out there and an unregistered untitled. He has an defective, disregarding the traffic control device that he never did take care of, that's in default, and it's too old for us to bring that back. Mr. Lanzalotti, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the
No,
offer.
that's not necessary, Your Honor. That ticket there that you're talking about, that wasn't even me.
Listen.
Yeah.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You speak to her and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room.
Sure.
We'll pass. Mr. Oram, City of Detroit versus Joseph Deshaun Oram, case number SP 171362221. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Masseria, P 87848, on behalf of Mr. Oram. Mr. Oram, please state your claims for the record.
Mr. Oram?
Oram, is he still here? He's in the breakout room?
Oh, I didn't type that.
What does Mr. Oram want to, what's going to happen?
That's right, Judge.
February the 12th is good? And you've already talked to him about it?
Yes.
Mr. Oram, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Oram, state your name for the record, please.
Johnny Oram.
All right. Date and time set for a pretrial. Trial date is going to be February the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Oram. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay? This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Griffin, case number SP 183-09701. Appearance.
Frank Masseria, P 87848, on behalf of Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, please state your claim for the record.
Michael Griffin.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a trial date.
Yes, Judge, Metro.
All right, trial, same date, February the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Griffin. If there's nothing further for you, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Wait, 12. 9:30. 9:30, you said, sir?
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, got it. Thanks.
All right, best of luck to you. Mr. Boffman, are you ready? You done?
Morning, Your Honor, we're ready.
Is the city of Detroit versus Jaden Michael Gursky, case number SP 181-51931, U7-226-1225. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, give the court your full and complete name.
Jaden Michael Gursky.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time set for.
It's a trial date, Judge. Trial was set for 9 a.m. It is now 10:44. I've spoken to the prosecutor. There is no complaining witness that is checked in. They are unable to proceed. I move to dismiss without prejudice. My client's been advised of his rights.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gursky, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Have a great day, Your Honor. Bye now.
That's it, Mr. Boffman.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Miss Barrett, you're back.
Yes. I brought my lunch. I gotta start bringing my lunch.
I'm making food. I'm not how big on that. Very good. Very
Eat out.
I don't do it.
I can't do it. I don't know how I got to the back.
Peanut butter and jelly never sounds so good.
I might want to go to a nice restaurant. That's what I used to do. Have my lunch and then go somewhere to eat nice.
Nope. She want to go to Benihana.
Oh, I don't like Benihana's. I think it's overrated personally.
Thought it was all right.
It's okay.
First time I ever went was in Las Vegas.
So you probably
I didn't know
like
that.
Benihana.
Last year.
Yeah.
I thought all of them were supposed to be nice, huh?
Yeah.
Nah.
But the only one I've ever known about here is in Dearborn.
Oh, no, they got one in Troy.
They got one in Troy too? I've never been to that one.
I like Stony River.
Okay.
Never heard of it.
Real nice. Some choice.
What did your mother like?
My mother likes Stony River. Got nice.
The Stony River Steak?
Yeah, they got nice.
Steakhouse.
Stephen Lewis, Gray, Orozco. Greer.
Is that a new Chris?
I'm about to put them out.
Yeah, Ruth Chris is a
Oh, right.
little overpriced.
I'm still looking for a chef. Well, let me tell you. We're now a chef.
I'm not against being a 5-star or a 4-star, but live up to that.
And I used to work at the DAC too, so I used to be getting a lot of it.
Stanley Gray. You were here the other day, right?
Yes, sir. My video ain't coming on. Yes, sir, I was, but I had two different dates. I wasn't sure if we handled it, so I just came anyway. I wanted to get a warning none for it, so.
Well, that stuff wasn't even inputted, Mr. Mathis. Stanley Gray stuff needs to be
What
inputted.
day was he in court?
27.
27, okay.
Excuse me. I
I don't know that, let me see, you were with, Mr. Patel, right? Mr. Gray?
Yes.
Stanley Gray, March the 27th. All your dates are gonna be March the 27th. And I need to get this guy.
You need his phone?
No, I don't need his file. We already took care of it. It's just not in the system.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Gray, be safe. March 27th, all right, 8:30.
It'll be.
Best of luck to you, okay?
You say when?
March the 27th.
27. Okay. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Is that, you're with Patel, right?
All right.
No, are you with Patel? Are you with, JS
Say that
Patel?
again.
Are you with Street Court? All right, here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
let me turn your camera off. I'll turn the camera off. That's gonna probably help. Are you with Street Court with Mr. Patel, Stanley? Gray?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, that would be next, on March the 27th.
27. Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
All right, have a good day.
Overtay London. He's supposed to be March 27th too.
Always in London.
But it seems like his stuff is gone.
Did they already dismiss it?
I guess so. I don't know.
Sometimes they,
Yep, it's dismissed. Okay, so we're good.
sometimes my phone there.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Rear. Mr. O'Rear, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, Mr. O'Rear, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Come back on the 12th of February at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay? City of Detroit versus Stephen Lewis, case number SP 1835253, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Stephen Jalon Lewis.
Stephen, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you, Judge.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep an eye on, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lancelotti. Mr. Lancelotti, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are respectfully asking permission to pay the reinstatement fees up front, if the
I
court will.
don't see any reinstatement fees. Now
So
he's changed his tune a little bit, right, Mr. Lancelotti?
Yes, sir.
What, I don't see any reinstatement fees. Have you been to the Secretary of State, sir?
No, sir, I haven't. I got an appointment today, 3:00. Now that you ask.
All right, well, try to get a license. What is this set for today, Miss Harris?
I need a license.
I'm gonna turn your camera off so it helps you. Go ahead, Miss Harris. What's your client want to do?
He's asking for a trial date, Your Honor. I sent the court a message.
Oh, I see. Well, Mr. Lancelotti.
Yes, sir.
You know, what do you want to do?
He wanted a trial date, Your Honor.
My purpose here today, Your Honor, is just I got to get a license. It's important that I have a license. So, my only the option she gave me, that's fine with me. But I can't pay the reinstatement fees for about 2 weeks.
There's no reinstatement. I was more so I was more so wondering if you're going to give up on us or not.
Oh, I've already got my news. There's nothing I can do.
But that's just that's just.
If you got a miracle, but if you seen the shit they cut out of my asshole twice, you would say the same thing.
Mr. Lancelotti, we don't have to go in that kind of description.
I'm sorry, man. I really need to go though. Can we just get the trial date?
Trial date. It's going to be
sorry.
February
whatever.
2026 at 9 a.m.
And Your Honor, on behalf of the people, P70303, we've offered a very generous offer of just blockading and seatbelt. And so the license issue, the people have already considered that in the global offer, Your Honor.
Understood. All right, February the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. We'll be praying for you. Best of luck to you.
All is well, you people too. Thank you so much, everybody.
All right. Ms. Harris, let's call the city of Detroit versus Monet Greer. Case numbers SP 147-98491, SP 147, strike that, SP 149-7815, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 174-2547, counts 1 and 2. 3, SP 182-4593, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 182-46151. Appearance for the record, please.
Mona Greer.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Morning.
I have 10 on the docket. I called 11 into the record. I'm believing this failure to secure passenger did not make it to the docket. I wouldn't have any issue allowing or to set aside that should have probably made it to the docket anyway. Those tickets will be dismissed. SP 174-2547, counts 1, 2, and 3, as those were written by Officer Baxter, and Officer Baxter came in. He appeared and said he had no recollection. So you don't even have to worry about.
And Your Honor, sorry about that. I did get my license as well. I paid for that ticket. That was $288.
For his license. All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. So let us know what you want to do when you come out, and let's find out who else is here. Officer Bush, did Officer Bush make it? Corporal Bennett is here. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record? And Officer Ireton, I don't think I saw Officer Ireton either. All right,
This
I
will
don't
move to
have,
dismiss for Officer Bush's tickets as well as Officer
Officer
Ireton.
all right. Go ahead and speak about the other matters. Let me see if the license is valid. License is valid, Miss Harris. Go ahead and speak to Mrs. Greer, please. We'll pass the matter.
And Your Honor, if the people could have co-hosts, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
That what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Indeed.
So February 12th is going to be a pretrial date. I'm setting it for a pretrial date so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the February 12th date, then we'll get appointed to you on the spot. Is the best number to reach you that 90515 number, 9015?
Yeah, 420-9015. That's it.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. February 12th. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed on the spot, all right?
All righty, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I'm free to leave?
You're free to leave.
You have a good day.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Sierra Green, case number SP1834911, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Sierra Green.
All
Your
right.
Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Good morning to you, Ms. Green. Today is time set for a show cause. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to pass the matter. Join the room, please. All right, we're waiting on an attorney. Put that up there, no, for no recollection for Osborne. City, let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, these are dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Greer, the case dismissed. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You still owe a couple of civil infractions, expired plate 174 times 2. You have 2 expired plates at 174. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
This is the City of Detroit versus Regina Osborne, case number SP 182-1855, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Osborne. Ms. Osborne, please state your name for the record. Ms. Osborne, can you unmute and state your name for the record?
Regine Osborne.
Turn your background off, ma'am. Please. All right, we're gonna pass it.
Ms. Osborne, if there's a TV or something playing in the background, you have to turn that off and or mute it.
Oh, sorry, that's not my TV. It's my grandmother's.
Well, in that regard, Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. She can't tell her grandma to turn the TV down. That's
And tell her to turn it down, but I don't know if her grandmother will. All right, case dismissed for no recollection. It's nothing further, Ms. Osborne. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Emmanuel Logan. Case numbers SP 100-33141, SP 120-9042, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 124050111, SP 162-39171, 1944-12961, 1949-11141. Appearance for the record, please.
How you
Sheriff
doing?
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Logan, please state your name for the record.
Emmanuel Logan.
All right, Mr. Logan, good morning to you.
Good
Today is
morning.
the day I'm set for
The trial, Your Honor.
trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer, run this license. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
Who is representing Hector Orozco?
I think the offer was just placed there so that we would know what it was, since it was a trial matter.
All right, very well. Where is Hector Orozco?
Oh, I'm here, Judge.
All right,
You
let's
want
go
me
back
to
on.
start that one? And
No, you
also
can
speak?
Hogan, and if you want to speak to Orozco, you can too. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm placing her number in the chat now.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Green? Ms.
Yes.
Green, what do you have on?
A jacket.
Okay. All right. 8:30 on February 12th.
Excuse me, Your Honor, I can't do anything I have surgery on the 13th and it takes a week to heal. Then my second surgery is on the 20th.
This is February 12th.
Right. I won't be here. I have to have eye surgery. So that I will be in the hospital, but I can't do anything. I'm not even supposed to be on the phone right now.
Well, you don't have to look into the phone. I'm gonna turn your camera off. If that's your issue. But you said you had the surgery on the 13th. You can't come in a day before that? Will you be in
I
the
don't know
hospital?
I don't know the exact well, the first one I had, they only did my injections through a needle. So I don't know how this one go. I have 4 of them. So I really don't know. But I really don't, because it's the 13th, but they told me I have to come and get my vitals and everything, but they haven't gave me the exact date on it to come the 12th or early the 13th, because my surgery is scheduled at 2.
All right, so let's make it the 10th then. I'm gonna try to get the attorney to you on the 10th, all right?
Okay.
Back on the 10th. Is this the best number to reach you? Wait a minute. At that 517, last 4 is 2713?
Correct.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date on February the 10th, then you will get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. I'll see you back soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Berry, you always get the big ones.
My great good fortune.
You draw the short straw. All right, but you do a very good job in that. So, City of Detroit versus Andrew Greenlee, case number SP 1012810, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1038921, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1087653, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1140486, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1157656, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1158021, SP 1356351, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1403689, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1404365. SP 1409572, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1553610, counts 1 and 2. SP 1556674, counts 1 and 2. SP 1597879, counts 1 and 2. SP 1721798, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1721799, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1825384, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan, let's try this, 2045500, counts 1, 2, and 3. 207215526, counts 1 and counts 2. 21440074, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Andrew Greenlee, case number SX4421851. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greenlee.
Andrew Edmund Greenlee III.
All right, Mr. Greenlee, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a trial Let's go through names, Mr. Berry. First and foremost, where's I need an extra sheet of paper for all this stuff. It's not funny. It's not funny.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
It's not funny.
No.
But I do need an extra sheet of paper for it. All right, let's start. We're going to make it a little easier on Mr. Berry. I'm going to walk through this stuff right now and make the notations that I need to make. Okay. No, Artez Baker is here. Mr. Corporal Baker, are you here? Corporal Baker is here. Corporal is here. NPO Shabazz, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Abdul Shabazz, badge number 1194, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you, Officer Shabazz. I didn't see Wiggins. Hayes had no recollection. Sergeant Matthews had no recollection. Baker, I didn't see Spidell. I'm surprised at that. Bayer, I haven't seen. Grima, I haven't seen. Dinan, I haven't seen. Holder, I haven't seen. Corporal Baker, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Artez Baker, badge 21, Detroit Police Department. How you doing, Your Honor?
Well, how about yourself? All right, so.
Officer Kim.
Say that. I haven't seen
Officer
Kip either.
Okay.
So he's winning so far.
Hayes, Matthews.
He had no recollection.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Corporal Corpick appeared. He's not here now. See if he's spoken to the city attorney and what his
Yes, Your Honor, he's on standby. He had a situation that came up. He's on standby. I could give him a call and have him sign back in if need be.
Well, if Ms. Horn has spoken with him, I'm pretty sure she has, then we will we'll let that. And then Sergeant Matthew was here. All right, Mr. Greenlee, when you see the prompt, join the room. And Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. All right, let's go back. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Ms. Harris, you need.
Yes, I forgot my question.
Well, we're here.
Oh, it was on Mr. Logan's license. Are you able to tell me if it was valid at the time he got the ticket?
We can just try and attempt to. I don't know if that's possible. What ticket or what day is the ticket in question? He's got a couple of tickets. No ops, it doesn't matter whether his license was valid or not. The issue was whether he had the license on his person. Driving while license suspended, and improper license only two.
That's the one I'm asking. The driving while license suspended or the driving while license not valid?
All right, driving license suspended 2021. I mean, we're going and then we're splitting hairs here.
My client had? and I'm just trying to give him an answer.
6-3. I mean, it's possible, but I don't know. No, he didn't have a license. On 5/1/19, 36th District Court failure to appear. Suspension was effective from 8/16/19 to 10/1/2021. Nope.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Tell him good try. Oh, what do you want to take care of Hector Orozco?
Sure, I can pull him into a breakout room. I didn't explain the offer yet.
All right, go ahead. Do what you got to do.
Thank you.
All right. I don't know why I scratched off Hector Orozco's name.
Judge Perkins, Mr. Mayor. Reschedule for 14. Needed. Okay. Well, I'll be in touch. Give me a call. Give me a call. Yes. Most important. Jemima Mathis. With a J. Yes.
Hi, Your Honor. I know that I got into the courtroom late. I just wanted to make sure that you knew that I was just in here waiting. I didn't know if you were able to see my name or not.
Yeah, good morning to you, ma'am. You're checked in.
Thank you.
Corporal Spidell.
Yes, Your Honor.
I see you appear. I'm not gonna mark you no officer, okay?
I appreciate it. Sorry about that. I had an impression to drive down to.
No, I was actually surprised, but no, I don't mark you no officer. I'll just include that in on the offer, all right? No dismissal on the offer. He's gonna plead to some other stuff anyway.
All right, thank you.
Be safe, Corporal Spidell. My nephew, my wife, my niece's husband, he's moving up the ladder in the DeKalb County schools. He was an assistant principal, and his life dream was working in the school system, and his life dream was becoming a principal. So last year, a principal spot came open, and he was really, he wanted it bad. That was his life dream. He didn't get it. So then after he didn't get that, because he worked for like Henry County, that's like down south, where they live in Henry County. And then he didn't get that. Then next thing you know, this DeKalb County's offer came up, and it's an administrative job. It's outside the school, and now you're administration. And he took, basically, and he took that job. And then now they interviewed him for a director job, and it's like 2 steps below the chief superintendent, the chief, whatever. So
They make fun.
yes, so he's excited about
I mean,
that.
they be decent.
Oh, they make pretty good money.
That's his dream surpassed him.
Well, one door closes, other one's open. But this is way better than being a principal in the school. I mean, if you like what you like, you want what you want, but you don't have to deal with them parents, you don't have to deal with the kids. There's other stuff you got to deal with, but yes.
We need Mr. Patel as to Mr. Greenlee.
All right. Mr. Greenlee, why didn't you say that?
Man,
you've been here back and forth.
For some reason, it seemed like I like coming to court or something. I don't know.
Well, you just started liking coming to court because you haven't been coming. But
I don't know. It's just changing me, but I don't know.
All right.
I actually scheduled therapy for this situation.
You say what?
I said I scheduled therapy, physical therapy for this situation.
Not physical therapy for this situation. Maybe some mental therapy.
It's something.
Yeah. To get your mind right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be the mental therapy. All right, let's go ahead, Mr. Berry. Let's go with the city of Detroit. Let's pass that matter. I call him. He should be here momentarily, Mr. Greenlee. Mr. Berry, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Tracy Ann Oli. Is it Ali or Oli?
It's Oli, Your Honor.
Case number SP 176-8438, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180-1003, counts 1 and counts 2. U 632-65222, U 705-64624. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Oli.
Tracy Ann Oli.
All right, 2 of them are set for review. Those are the disorderly conduct U tickets. I believe there was some sort of plea on those. Ms. Oli, you. And then the other matters, then she had another disorderly conduct, SP 163355531. That was already pled to. I didn't call that in the record, but that was already pled to. So you got some bad stuff going on, and some bad allegations going on here, Miss Oli.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, get Miss Oli an updated offer. Keep in mind, Miss Oli, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Some bad stuff there. So yeah, I'm excited for him. When I go out of town, I usually don't stay with anybody because I don't, like to be a burden but I was reluctant to stay with them one time. I stayed with them. I had so much fun every time I go down there. I stay with them. They probably tired of me now.
Oh, that's nice. They're very excited to see you.
We have a good time.
I don't know. Well, I go places, but it's local. I never really travel. So one time I went out of town and my family was like, "You going somewhere?" They all followed me. It kind of messed up my trip. I just went to Houston. My nephew flew in with his girlfriend.
Want to be bothered with them? You can't tell them where you going next time.
No. Everybody showed up. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey.
Hey.
It was cute though. It was
This the long drawn out for Mr. Greenlee. You may have
Mr.
heard of her.
Greenlee, he's gonna seek the services of Mr. Patel.
Oh, okay.
So
Let me write all that up.
we'll see. We'll see. All right. Let's do this. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Hector Alberto Orozco. Case number SB 182-8178, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Hector Alberto Orozco.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Orozco.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Orozco. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Ozzie was here. And you've worked this out to a blocking traffic, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, that is the recommendation.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Orozco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter. All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Orozco, when can you pay?
Can you give me 3 weeks, Judge?
February 20th, you can get it by then?
Yes.
February 20th, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Orozco. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. And I can't find Mr. Orozco's file. I don't know. All right, have a good day, sir. Play it.
Yep, you too. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Good luck.
Just check these facts right here.
Yeah, I did. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation, 1 count of improper plates and 1 count of allowing.
You want to take the deal, mister?
Yes, sir. I would want to know about payment plans.
Here, go right here.
What did I put on the other one? Dismiss.
No recollection.
Officer Ozzie said no recollection? Oh, well. Maybe I messed that up.
Here, ask the court reporter, because she might be able to call.
I will find out.
Okay. Because you did scratch it off, I heard you say that.
Oh, hold on. Let me pass the matter 1 second. Ms. Harris, talk to Ms. Horn. I believe that Mr. Orozco, I said no. I believe Officer Ozzie said no recollection. That's what I wrote on the file. And I wondered what I did with that file. And I wrote that on my note here. So see what he says. All right, let's go back. We're back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, you want to take the deal, correct?
Correct.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum penalty for this offense? The misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know, by taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, did you ever own a 2011 Buick?
Buick Regal.
Buick Regal, Buick. My father said they call it Buick. He said they ride heavy. That was one step under a Cadillac.
Yeah, good cars.
Yeah. All right. I'll do that. Let's draw your attention back to way back to June the 3rd, 2021, 3:37 p.m., city of Detroit, area of Plymouth and Stout. Have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department.
Yes.
You were operating that Buick on that day? Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you? You couldn't produce a valid driver's license or insurance, could you, Mr. Logan?
Not at that time. I don't know about insurance, but that license, no.
Did you have insurance on the vehicle at that time?
At that time, 2021, I'm gonna say no. It's kind of a long time ago too, but no, I'm gonna say no.
You're gonna say no. I want you to be sure whether you had it or not. You can't be sure whether you had insurance.
She looked back and she came back. She said I didn't have a license. We didn't talk about insurance.
It was Corporal Corporal Bennett. Plymouth and Stout, Corporal Bennett. And I don't know if he had a partner or not. He usually doesn't. 2011 Buick. I'll enter a no contest plea. Same difference. I wasn't gonna fine you for it anyway. I was gonna cut you a break anyway. But you know you didn't, right?
Yes.
All right, I'll give you a no contest plea to the improper plea. Stipulate the proper, and I'll find you guilty of the amended count
Stipulated,
of
Your Honor.
I'll find you guilty of the amended count of allowing. And I'll dismiss the other matters. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fee. 240. Here's what I'll do. You said payment plan, right?
Yes, sir.
Come back in 30 days. It's probably going to be more than 30 days because it's going to be March the 6th, 2026. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. On or before that date, either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you come on down to the courthouse and get into the payment plan, sir. 240, and then you probably see 285 maybe if that had a warrant fee, but it's going to be, a reinstatement fee, but it's going to be some reinstatement fees up there. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on March the 6th. If you pay it, you don't have to come back.
Okay, one quick question. So reinstatement fees. So is the ticket, is that the ticket that has my license suspended, or is reevaluation? Because I haven't went to my hearing yet.
Yeah, that hearing, I don't see anything here that was affecting your license. That would sound like, if you know a reevaluation, that sounds like what the deal is.
Oh, so I have to wait till I get a reevaluation?
I don't know. You said reevaluation. I didn't. So you already sound like you've been to the Secretary of State, because that sounds like the language.
Yeah, we talked about it last time in court, but you told me about it. Okay. All right. So
well, if I think about it, you need to go to Secretary of State, and if they have a reevaluation, this is not going to affect. This won't abstract. So none of this stuff will abstract. It won't affect your ability to get a license from this stuff.
Okay.
All right. So go to Secretary of State. You may get lucky.
All right. I got an appointment date coming, a hearing date coming.
All right. Well, good luck to you, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too.
All right. Thank you. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Unique Gonzalez Dingwall. Case number SP 1-822-170, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1-822-1721. Appearance for the record, please.
Unique Juanita Gonzalez Dingwall.
Good
Jackie
morning.
Harris, on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Dingwall an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. I cannot wait till this weather breaks, man. This has been too cold, too long. You like the cold, Ms. Memphis?
Do I like what?
The cold.
Not really. I mean, as long as I got the right clothes, I'm okay, but no, I don't really like it.
Nah, you gotta have.
You just gotta have the right stuff. I was out there the other day, I had a hat on, the wind was just blowing through the hat. I was like, I mean, that was yesterday. It was so bad yesterday. I had to get out. But it's been a little different, you know, these days. Extra cold.
Extra cold.
Kind of hot. I was a little bit buzzed. It's supposed to be sunny today. That's gonna help, but
Oh no, I don't think so.
how did it go yesterday with the pool situation? Were you able to zoom in?
No, I had to go.
So you had to go in person?
Morning, Mr. Patel. I have Mr. Greenlee here. I'm gonna put you two in a breakout room. Mr. Greenlee, that's Mr. Patel. Join the room and speak with him, okay? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gonzalez. Ms. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
We've already done that, so let's get her an attorney in here now. Let's find out who that is.
What's her name?
Green Gonzalez Dingwell. Give me a minute, Miss Gonzalez. We'll see who that attorney is. We'll get.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, and we're working on Miss Ali. I brought Miss Walker over. She does recognize her from the program here, and she's going to check with attorney Jessica Warfield.
Okay.
Okay, so she does not want to be in that program. She was a continuous absconder. So I'll go talk to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Thank you, Shannon.
Gonzalez is Bachman.
Bachman. All right, call me when Gonzalez and from the chambers. Call me when Gonzalez and them are ready. I'm gonna give you host ability.
Can you slide me the control thing?
Yes.
These are the last two people?
These are the last two people.
It's the control.
Oh, find out. Yep. I'm gonna find out from Miss Horn. I should have asked her about Mr.
You want Gonzalez, right? And it's Terry Bachman. I'm gonna print this and then I'm gonna call.
All right, I mean Gonzalez.
Judge Perkins, program is trying.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Miss Ali. Unfortunately, Miss Ali doesn't want to. I don't know if she would have been able to rejoin the program or not. But unfortunately, you're not ready for that, huh?
No.
Well, when are you ever going to be ready? You ready? You ready for? Well, how long is it? What are you going to do with this stuff?
Oh, I'm working on everything in my life and quitting drugs. I just at that time I wasn't able to make the right choices with specialty court. I definitely I've made the decision I'm going to quit heroin and I'm working on everything else.
So you made the decision. I know that's one big step,
Mhm.
and I'll congratulate you on taking that big step. But how do
Thank
you
you.
feel that you're going to accomplish that?
Oh, I'm going to seek out a lot of support out in the community. I had some clean time in my life before, and I went to a lot of meetings and had some mental health medications and stuff like that. But all I can do is just try that and ask for help.
Was it correct that Ms. Horn tells me that they were going to call specialty court over there, and you told them that you didn't want them to?
No, I never told them I didn't want them to.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, I'm in the courtroom. I did check with Ms. Walker and discuss it with Mr. Berry. It's my understanding that she continued to abscond. We also spoke with her attorney, through Ms. Walker, Jessica Warfield, and that was the noted update and report from drug treatment court.
Oh, so it's not the fact that she says no. I thought I was misunderstood. It's not the fact that she says no. It says basically, I don't know. I know they stopped accepting people into the court.
And because she continued to abscond, Your Honor, basically it's been determined that she does not want to participate.
It's been determined that, well, let's say it like this. Did you tell them you didn't want to participate, Ms. Oli?
No, I never told them that. I never had an opportunity to. I just was terminated. But I'm pretty sure by my actions they assumed that.
Right. No,
But like you said,
what I wanted to reflect that you didn't tell them that. They took that by your actions, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you did not want to still participate. It's just at the time your mind was somewhere else.
Right.
Wow. And I believe that it can be two places. You could want the help and want the help, but the addiction part of it does not allow you to go to the help.
Yes, definitely.
What are we going to do with these cases now? Really, this kind of needs to go back. And I think we've already been around this block as far as other people that have come and sending them back to Judge Holmes, because Judge Holmes is the one that has you under this incarceration.
Correct.
Call Judge Holmes and just to make sure again that she does not is not allowing you back in. If Judge Holmes were to allow you back in, which I think is a small probability, are you ready for the help now?
I'm not sure if I'm ready for specialty court. I'm ready for help, but I'm not. I had several issues, and I'm not sure if I'm ready for specialty court.
Well, I don't think you're ready for the help.
Okay.
That's what I would conclude. Find out, Miss Mathis, what Miss Judge Holmes wants to do. If she wants me to take it over from here, do not reduce bond, not to be released without appearing before Judge Holmes. That was 9/3/2025. And on 12/18/2025, judge of record changed to me, specialty court referred back off of judge. Okay. All right. So we already know. All right. So what's the deal, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would accept the offer of the people that she enter a plea to loitering and the possession of a syringe, those cases ending in 0031 and 2. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, there are sentencing recommendations from the people that she get involved with some type of substance abuse treatment program, that she gets urinalysis tested, and also a 6-month probationary period. Credit for time for fines and costs.
How long have you been in there?
I've been here since October 10th, 2025.
And how many days is that?
Well, gosh, I don't know. I haven't been counting. I know that I'm doing 2 90-day consecutive sentences, and my out date is currently March 2nd.
Miss Horn, it's nothing more I can do with her.
Understood. A recommendation, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. It's nothing more I can do. March. You know you're not leaving until when? March when?
March 2nd.
And you said you got in there October what?
October 10th, I believe, 2025.
So basically, the only reason you're clean and sober now is because you were incarcerated, correct?
Correct.
That doesn't do well for your odds, ma'am.
You're right, Your Honor. But I do want to stay clean. I don't want to just continue the life I had before.
Well,
I have been talking
like we talked about before. You
Right.
probably wanted to stay clean a long time ago.
Right, definitely. Okay, I hear what you're saying.
You see what I'm saying?
Yes,
But wanting to do it in actions speak louder than words.
correct.
And I know it's not just as easy as just I'm cold turkey. I'm just quitting. But you have to change something in your life drastically, because what I've found, and the unfortunate thing is, and I don't have any scientific evidence to prove it. I did ask Judge Holmes, and I think she did say that is correct. But what I found is when people like yourself have gone so long without the narcotics, particularly heroin, then that tolerance that your body had built up while you were using is now gone away. And I've seen people go back to reusing and drop dead.
Correct. Yes, I know a few people recently.
And do you know that that is the case with people when they stop using and then return to it, then
Yes.
their body can't handle it?
Yes. That is true, in my opinion.
Yeah. I hope that's not you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I hope that's not you.
God
Raise your
bless.
right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses? Or believe it or not, they're only 90-day misdemeanors if they're city ordinance cases. And maximum possible fine is $500.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understood those rights.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Do you have any kids, ma'am?
I do. I placed my twins for adoption, and my other two are with their father. My daughter's 18 now.
Your daughter's 18. How is she doing?
I'm not sure. I'm hoping I can get my life together and be return into her life and my son's.
And
The
how old is
twins
your
I placed
son?
at birth.
How old is your son?
My son, he's 15.
And you don't know about his how he's progressing?
Not since I've been dealing with all this. No, not about a year. So hopefully I can get myself together and prove that I'm someone to at least be able to find out about my children.
I can, Miss Horn. I think that Miss Judge Holmes left us with some resources for Miss Ali and people in her situation. But Miss Ali, I'm going to try to carry your attention back to September the 29th, 2025 at around 2:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lawndale in Michigan, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit police officer? Were you there around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And what was over there?
What was over there? Oh, and I was in an alley, getting high.
And you were in the alley, and you didn't have any. What is this?
Oh, I had a needle. And
you had possession of the needle, correct?
Yes, yes, I did.
I find you guilty as charged to that, and then the loitering. You didn't have any legal authority to be around that alley, did you?
No.
And what is it? Is somebody's property back behind there, or is it abandoned?
I believe it's just city, the alley behind I-94.
No store around there or anything?
There's a party store nearby, but I don't think it was right next to it.
What is kind of concealing you in this alley?
Some brush, like bushes and stuff.
I don't know what the statute reads. I left my book in there as far as loitering. I like to make sure that the elements of the crimes have been met in order to find you guilty of it.
Do you need your book, Judge?
What's the statute? I can take a look at it for you, Judge.
31-5-7.
May I use the book?
You may.
Okay, thank you.
Is it the?
It's this one, yeah.
It's that one, okay.
Yeah, they hook the judges up, don't they? We gotta use mini code.
Oh, mini code. It's good to have on your computer though.
31-5.
Let's pass that matter. Let's pass that matter. I'll let you read that. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gonzalez. Miss Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Oh, we're waiting on, well, we can pass that because we're waiting on Mr. Boffman, correct?
Yes, I did text him, Judge, and try to call him.
Can you make me host?
I did. You should be co-host. But you want to be host? Okay, hold on.
Yes. Whenever you're ready, we'll go back on the record with Ali. Are we ready on Greenlee, Mr. Patel? All right, we'll wait on Mr. Patel.
And Your Honor, I have pulled up the ordinance.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Ali. Miss Ali, what's the ordinance, Madam Horn?
3157, loitering generally, after having told to move on by a police officer, it shall be unlawful for any person to loiter on any street, sidewalk, overpass, or public place. For the purpose of this section, the term loitering, quotes, is defined as the act of standing or being idle in or about any street, sidewalk, overpass, or public place so as to hinder or impede or tend to hinder or impede or obstruct the passage of pedestrians or vehicles.
There's the last part that I don't know if we can make, but you've been told to leave out of that area before, haven't you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Oh, sorry.
All right. The court is satisfied. Let's say this, find you guilty as charged to the loitering, ma'am. You're in the alley. I guess you can impede cars that would be potentially coming through that alley. You were asked to leave before. I don't know if you're asked to leave this time, but not. You've been shooed away from that alley before, haven't you?
Yes.
And I'll find you guilty of that. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I hate to leave you without any resources. I do. Let's see. You have the number to Wayne County Integrated Health.
Yes, I do have the number DWIN, and I have been talking to someone on the outside who works with street outreach to try and assist me getting in and take care of all that. And they put some money on my phone for me to be able to keep calling.
Well, we have street outreach here right now.
Oh, okay.
All right. So you don't have a place to stay when you get out either.
I have one temporary, but not for long term. But I have been working with Noah's project before I got in here, so I was hoping to deal with them again. I just got their number the other day.
Mr. Patel, can you speak to Mr. Patel? Has a lot of services here. A lot of services.
Okay.
Mr. Patel, can you speak to Miss Ali before she
Yes.
leaves?
Yeah. Is the cases already resolved?
The cases are resolved. I can
Okay.
I can leave a spine out there so that you can work with.
No, I mean, I don't want her to have a fine just to talk to us. So if the case is resolved, we can just I can just share my telephone number and we can connect that way.
Okay. All right. I'm very concerned about Miss Ali's when she returns back to society, her ability to be able to stay away from that life she's been living. We've heard some horrible stories about people that when they let out, one man was let out, and I let him out that day, and the next day they found him dead in a garbage can. And I don't want that to be your story. And I don't know if I don't know how that got back to us. Somebody told us that. But I don't want that to be your story. So it's I'm gonna try to leave you with all the resources that we can. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room 5. And what I'm gonna do for these is I'll just say I'll sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail and give you credit for time served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll be praying for you, ma'am. I'm gonna
thank you so much.
Let, Mr. Patel speak to you, so you wait in the breakout room.
Okay.
And again, there's nothing more I can say.
Thank you. May I go run and get a pencil?
You may.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Join the room when you get back.
Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greenlee. Mr. Greenlee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Patel. Is Mr. Patel, what did you put your appearance on the record first, please?
Yes, Your Honor. J.H. Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Greenlee. Mr. Greenlee, would you please state your name for the record?
Andrew Edmund Greenlee III.
All right, Mr. Greenlee, what I'm going to say to you, sir, is I'm going to say that I pray for you that you can get through this time. This is probably the most difficult time in your life. How old are you?
38 with no kids.
38, no kids. All right. So what I do say is that it's probably the most difficult time of your life. I think I do believe in Mr. Patel's program. I've seen Mr. Patel's program work, and we want it to work for you. I hope it works sooner rather than later, because you two are going to work together, right?
Yes.
And I hope it works sooner rather than later. I always leave you with this quote, and Dr. Martin Luther King says, "The true test of a man is not where he stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in the times of challenges and controversies." This is probably one of the most challenging times of your life. And I truly believe that if you stay focused and if you work diligently with Mr. Patel and work diligently on your own, I do believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel. I know it is. I just can't tell you how soon that light will start shining brighter for you. But I'm hope that it's sooner rather than later. So work with Mr. Patel. What I'm going to do is I'll dismiss these cases that that the officers did not show. We have a handful of cases that the officers did not show, so we don't have to deal with those. And I've written them down. And then for the other cases, what date do you need, Mr. Patel?
April 16th, Your Honor. And if we could change the event to pre-trials.
We're going to change them to pre-trials April 16th. All right, 8:30. Mr. Greenlee, work hard, get this stuff behind you, and put yourself in a position so that you can help other people, because I know you have a lot of value, and you need to bring that value out, and we need that value in this society. So work hard, get yourself together, and show us what you can do and offer the rest of the community, especially people that have gone through a situation like you're going through now. All right.
Okay.
All right. I wish you, and don't come back laying down in my court either.
I'm sorry about that.
All right. This is the second time you've done that.
Oh, man.
Get them together, Mr. Patel. All right. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Go ahead and talk to Miss Ali, and then that'll be it, I think.
All
All
right,
right.
thank you, Your Honor.
We're waiting. All right, be safe. Mr. Corporal Baker, be safe out there as well. And then I think that, I don't know if anybody else was in here.
Yes, Shabazz. I'm
Officer
sorry.
PL Shabazz. All right. I don't see MPL Shabazz around the park anymore.
It's too cold.
No, it's not.
No, it's not necessarily cold, but the ice and the ice. It's the
No,
actually the
no,
ice. No, I was just teasing because
Hey,
people be
the brother's out this morning. He's out there every morning. I'm like,
it's just the ice and people on 7 Mile and Pontchartrain, they be driving.
I
They be
know.
humming, so
And then
so
you need your scout car for that one, huh?
yes, sir.
All right.
But I'll
Be
be out there.
safe.
The cold don't bother me. It's just the ice and the being
I'll
out
see
way
you
out in the street.
soon. I told you I'm gonna
Yes.
get out there with you if you start going earlier.
Come on.
All right.
All right, sir.
I will see you.
All right, sir.
All right, we gotta wait on Mr. Boffman, I guess, from Miss Dingwall.
I'm gonna try to text him again, Judge, because he normally is pretty sharp, but I'll check.
Okay.
Judge Perkins?
You call me, Miss Mathis?
Yes, I need co-host abilities, and Harry Bachman just made contact with Harry Bachman. He about to zoom in on the matter. Ms. Gonzalez Dingwall. Thank you. Co-host me, please. Thank you.
Welcome. Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yep, they have another case they assigned to you. So I'm gonna put
Right.
you in the breakout room with Miss Dingwall. Go speak to her and we'll set a new date for you.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
All right. Oh, Miss Horn. Are we ready on Dingwall?
We are.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Unique Gonzalez Dingwall. Mr. Boffman, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. What does Miss Dingwall want to do?
Judge, can you set this for a pretrial? I'm going to order discovery, and we're going to come back ready to make an intelligent decision. I'm hesitant to set it for trial, although I think I can be prepared if you give me a trial date outside of 30 days.
Just go pre-trial with Miss on February 12th, 2020
Okay.
at 8:30. Miss Dingwall, you're in good hands with Mr. Boffman, I believe. And you have a very good day. I appreciate your patience, even though she probably came in about a couple hours late, but that's fine.
I'm sorry, I
Well,
was
we
running
have it
late, Your
together,
Honor.
Judge.
You said February 12th at what time?
8:30.
8:30? Okay, I will be on time.
All right, there you go. Very well.
Thank you.
All right, well, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Take it easy, Mr. Boffman. Thank you.
Judge, I'm afraid I missed another Jamie Lewis. I have an assignment for Jamie Lewis and for
We didn't see a Jamie Lewis.
okay, well, I'll try to catch up to them.
Oh, who else are you talking about?
Give me 1 second.
I think anybody else we didn't see because we would have.
Jamie Lewis and Julian Lewis. And
No,
they're giving me the same phone number for both, so could be one or the other.
all right, you need to or they could be brothers.
I could track them down, Your Honor, and let you know.
Okay, very well.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you as well.
Bye now.
Um,